welcome back to my channel. Today I'm reviewing the Fashion Fair Cream to Powder Foundation. The color I got is Topaz. The box looks like this. I know this is a old but goodie, but they did relaunch this foundation, and you know, I've never tried it. This is my first time trying it, and I really wanted to. It looks like this, and like I said, I did get the color Topaz Trophy. It's wetting. I don't know why, but yes, it's wetting. So maybe if I dab it some. I don't know. But the color looks like this. And you only can buy this online. It's not in stores. Retail price is about, I want to say $45. Let me check it out. So this does range about $37. They do have other products like setting powders, primer, lipstick, which will range between $34 to $37 also. But this is supposed to give you a powdery finish, looks natural, smooth, silky. So I've never tried it, like I said, so I decided to try it on camera. But I hope I got the right color. They do have 14 colors. Let's get started. First, I'm going to prep my face with my e.l.f. Poreless Primer and the Acne Fighting Primer. Why do I use two? I don't know. I just do. Makes me feel better. I don't know. I am going to set this foundation. I know it says cream to powder finish, but I set all my foundations. So let's see. I'm going to use this foundation brush. I think I got it from Amazon. No, I didn't. Where did I get this brush? I have no idea. But I'm going to use this. It looks like this. It's different, right? I never used nothing like this. So I'm going to dip it up in here. Sometimes with cream foundations, you want to use a sponge, but I like using brushes. So I'm just putting it on. And it's supposed to give you full coverage. I think if you want full coverage, you probably got to use one of those, you know, those flat sponge. I feel like them flat sponges give you more coverage than anything. But right now, I see it has a yellow undertone. I seen that while it was up in the container. But yeah, a yellow undertone. And this is, let me see. So I'm gonna just finish all of this up because I feel like this is gonna take me a minute. But I think you know what? Let me try a sponge. Let me try a sponge and see if I can get this on just a little bit better. I'm not seeing no coverage. It's so weird. But I think I probably gotta use a different brush or use a sponge. So does it come with a sponge? Yes, this sponge right here. So like I said, those sponges normally give you the best coverage. So after putting down that brush and using the sponge that it comes with, I finally got all over coverage. But I'm thinking maybe it's the e.l.f. primer that I use, which is making it like splotchy, and I look really yellow. So I look really yellow on camera. In the mirror, it looks okay. It don't look too bad. But on camera, I feel like my yellow lights are like bringing out the yellow that's in this foundation, but it's okay. I'm gonna finish up the rest of my face and then I'll give the rest of my opinion about it. Hi guys, I'm back. So I did have to go off camera because I was having some application issues with the brush. No, use a sponge. The sponge will put it on there, but mine was coming out a lot of splotchy. So I just had to keep patting and patting and patting, and finally I got a good amount of coverage. Then I went in with my concealer, my highlight under my eyes, which is the Born This Way concealer that I so love. That set really well, but as I was setting, it still seemed like the foundation was moving on my face. Like I said, I don't know if it was because of the primer that I used, the e.l.f. primer. Maybe next time I use a different primer and see how it applies then. Is it gonna be like still moving all over my face? But some of it was coming off and then I had to blot it back on. So it took me a minute to get it on, but it's on, and I must say it does look really smooth, really natural, but this, since this is white, this will get messy. This will get messy. You will always have to keep cleaning this. The inside will get messy. It's messy right now. I don't know if you can see it, but it's messy. But I did use the sponge that it came with, you know, this little sponge, and I did set it with my Makeup Forever Pro Finish powder. I know it's been discontinued, you cannot get it anymore, but I still have some, so I'm gonna use it till it's gone. So yes, I set it with that, and I did a little highlight on the side, little contour, just a little bit. But yes, I want to say this is very buildable coverage. It did cover, you know, my dark spots, because, you know, I have them. So it did cover my dark spots. So it's like buildable to however you want it. So yeah, I think I'm gonna wear this throughout the day. And you guys, I forgot to show you what time it is. It is 3:07 p.m. 3:07. I'm pretty sure y'all can't even see that, but 3:07. It is 3:07 p.m. So in a couple of hours, I'll come back and show you guys. Hey you guys, so I'm back. The time is now 5:34. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yes, it's now 5:34. And now let's see, there is a lot of shine coming from this area, my T-zone area. I don't think you guys can see it that much, but let me see. When I turn like this, you can see how shiny it is now, like all right here and right here and right here. And there's a little bit of shine coming from up here. That's about it. The foundation doesn't look that bad at all. I didn't retouch it. I didn't blot, of course not, because I'm still shiny. I did touch up my lip gloss, and that's about it. Oh, and of course, like, girl, what you doing? You look like a different person. This is the wig that's on my new video. I was doing a wig review, so go check that out. It should be posted soon. All right, y'all, so it is 7:31. I'm getting tired, so let's see. There we go. Yes, it's 7:31. I'm sorry I couldn't make it to 8 o'clock. I'm getting tired. I have like so much stuff to do, but here's what the foundation look like. I'm gonna pull you guys in just a little bit. I can see it creasing underneath my nose. It's coming off right here. Also, this area is coming off, and a little bit up there. It's starting to come off. This foundation is okay. I mean, it doesn't look too bad. You gotta be careful with it too, because you can overly apply this foundation and be really cakey. But like I said, it's buildable, but I say it's not a good long wearing foundation. I applied it at 3:07. It is now 7:32, and it's already starting to come off on my nose. Let me see. I don't think you guys can see it. Oh, wish you guys can see it more better. But it's starting to come off on my nose, and caked up under my nose. But also, like I said in the beginning of the video, that my primer could have something to do with it. Maybe it could be making the foundation react in a certain kind of way. I don't know. But I did hear that a lot of people like the foundation stick better than the cream foundation in the little circle container. That is it for my review of the Fashion Fair cream to powder foundation, and I am going to bed. See you guys in my next video. Don't forget to check out my video on this wig, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.